friends, what's up? Welcome to my channel. I am Tanya. Previously I have done a unboxing video which I have received from the Sugar. Today I am going to do another unboxing video of the parcel which I have received from Nykaa a few days back. So these are the two parcels that I have received from Nykaa. So let's go into the video of unboxing these boxes without wasting much more time. So firstly I am going to open this box. I have already cut the sellotape here. So I am going to open this up. So here is the products from the Nykaa that I have ordered a few days back, and it all costed me 1287. So let's see what are the things that I have ordered. Firstly, the thing that I have ordered from Nykaa is this. It's a massage cream from the brand Lotus Herbals. It's a very good massage cream. I have used it previously and I will give the review of this product too. So it has costed me 375 and it contains 50 grams. It's a very large size and it lasts for a long. So the next thing that I have purchased from the Nykaa is lipstick from the Lakme 9 to 5 matte lipstick with primer plus matte lipstick that have the 9 to 5 range. So it's in the shade I think just wait, Crimson Q MR19. It's in the shade Crimson Q. The original price of this lipstick is 525, but I have got it in an offer price. Let me show. I didn't remember the offer price actually. So this lipstick in offer price has costed me 314. It's a good discount I can say. So I have bought another two lipstick from Lakme. So here are the another two lipsticks that I have bought from the Lakme 9 to 5 range. This one is in the shade Scarlet Search. This one is in the shade Scarlet Search. The original price of this lipstick is 500, but I have got it in the price of 299, and this two is in the price of 500 also, and it's in the shade Maroon Mix, and I have got it in the price of again 299. There was an offer on Lakme that if you purchase something of 1200 then you will get another lipstick free. So here I have got the free product, which is also from the Lakme. It's Enrich Matte Lipstick. It's quite good and it's in the shade actually the shade is not written here, so I will give the swatches of these lipsticks onto my hand right now. Now I am going to swatch the Lakme lipsticks that I have bought from Nykaa onto my hand. So the first lipstick that I am going to swatch is in the shade Crimson Q. So I am opening this lipstick. Actually I love matte lipsticks very much because they stay for more time. The color is just awesome if you can see the color. Now I am going to swatch it on my hand. Just see such a rich color it has, the lipstick has, and it will look very much good onto the lips. So it's in the shade Crimson Q. The next lipstick that I am going to open is in the shade Maroon Mix. This color is too much fabulous and it will look very much hot I can say. So here is the swatch. See, this color is very beautiful and very much nice. Here you can see the second one is the Maroon Mix. So the third lipstick that I am going to open is in the shade Scarlet Search. Here is the color. See, such a beautiful and lovely color. Now I am going to swatch it over my hand. Just see this color. It just a killer color I can say. I love this shade very much. I love actually all the shades of red. So I love this shade. You can see it's a very beautiful color. So the last lipstick that I am going to swatch onto my hand, that I have got as a free gift, so I am going to open it. Actually, I don't know the shade of this lipstick. It's PM11. The name of the shade is PM11. The number of the shade is written over here under the lipstick, but the shade name is actually not given. It's also matte lipstick, and just look at the color. It's just beautiful color. So I'm going to swatch it onto my this hand. See, it's also very much good, but it's a little bit lighter color than these ones, but it's also very much good color, and it will look very much good. So these are all the swatches of the lipstick that I have bought from the Nykaa. Now I am also going to open this massage cream that I have bought from the Lotus. You can see this is the box, and it contains Cunic Seed massage, Cunic Seed, the goodness of Cunic Seed, and it's very much good for all types of skin. How you have to use this massage cream, all the detailed information are written onto the pack, as you can see. And this is the container. It's a glass container. It's a little bit heavy container, so you have to use it carefully. And if you see that it has a much good amount, and the smell is very much awesome. It's a very good smell, and it has a much good amount, you can see. Now I'm going to take a little bit of that cream and going to massage over here, as you can see. See, it absorbs very well into this into my skin, into my hand, and it's very good for facial massage. I have used it earlier, and I have got a very much better result of this. So you can go for this one if you do facial massage at home. So these are all the things that I have bought from the Nykaa, the first box that I have opened. Now I am going to open up the next box that I have bought from the Nykaa too. This is the second box that I have received from Nykaa. Now I am going to open up this box. So these are all the products that I have bought from Nykaa, and it costed me 1550. So the thing that I have purchased is from Innisfree. It's a green tea seed essence in lotion. This is the product. It costed me 1550. Now I am going to open this container. So this is the bottle. I have already gave the review of this product, so you can go and check it out, the review. So with this product, the thing that I have got free from Innisfree is this. It's a trial kit from Brightening Pore Trio. It's from Innisfree. There are certain offers that are always available on Innisfree. So this trial kit contains a sleeping mask from the Brightening Pore, a mini sleeping mask. It contains 15 ml. The another thing that contain is brightening pore skin. That means it's a toner. Actually, it also contains 15 ml. And the last thing is a serum, brightening pore serum. It is of 5 ml. These are the products. There was an offer that with the purchase of about 1299 you can get this trial kit as a free. So these are the things that I have got from Innisfree. Another thing that I have got is a free sample that was written, but they haven't mentioned that what is the thing that they are going to send me. So when I received this parcel, I was just shocked, because the free sample that I have got from Nykaa is from the Plum, and it's not a free, it's not like a trial sample small one. It's a large one that you can see, and it's a face mask from Green Tea Plum, and it contains 60 gram. The original price of this product is $490, and I have got this as a free. It's my first time. I haven't expected this much, that they will give such a good thing as a free sample. So I'm going to open this up, the box. So this is the face mask. As you can see, it contains in a glass jar, and I am going to open the lid. It contains a very good amount of face mask, as you can see. I haven't used these products, this Plum face mask and also these Innisfree products firstly, so I will give the review of these products later on to my channel. So these are the things that I have got from Nykaa. So this is all about my today's video about unboxing my 2 parcels that I have received from Nykaa. Hope you like my videos very much, and I will also give the links of all the products that I have shown to you in this video in my description box. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, and also press the bell icon so that you can get the notification of my each new video whenever I put it in my channel. And also comment down in the comment section that how much you like this video. So friends, see you in my next video. Till then, stay tuned, stay safe, bye bye.